Hey gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to today's episode where we're diving into something pretty exciting. How AI is revolutionizing pre-built gaming PCs. And trust me, this isn't just another tech talk. We're seeing some real game changers here. You know, there's been this ongoing debate in the gaming community. Build your own PC or go pre-built? Well, the landscape is shifting, and I've got a perfect example to share with you today. Let's talk about the iBuyPower Y40. This beast is currently sitting at Walmart with a $999 price tag, and honestly, it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Now, before you say, oh, another pre-built, let me break down why this is interesting. Picture this. You getting an Nvidia RTX 4070 with 12 gigs of video. Memory, that's about $500 worth of GPU right there. Pair that with an Ryzen 7 7700 processor, and you're already looking at most of your budget. But wait, there's more. They've thrown in 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM liquid cooling. Yes, liquid cooling. And a solid 7.0 OW power supply with 80 gold certification. They even toss in a keyboard and mouse. Just bring your monitor, and you're ready to roll. But here's where it gets really interesting, the A angle. This system features Nvidia's DLSS technology, and if you haven't heard about this, you're in for a treat. Imagine having an A that's constantly working to make your games look better while running smoother. That's exactly what DLSS does. It uses AI to upscale lower resolution images in real time, giving you better frame rates without sacrificing visual quality. It's like having a little graphics wizard working overtime inside your PC. The bigger picture here is fascinating. We're seeing a shift in the gaming PC market where pre-built systems are no longer the overpriced, underpowered options they used to be. Companies are leveraging technologies to create systems that not only perform well now, but can actually maintain their competitiveness longer. Think about it, with features like DLSS, your gaming PC can handle more demanding games, even as they come out, essentially future-proofing your investment to some degree. It's democratizing high-end gaming, making it more accessible to people who might be intimidated by the prospect of building their own system. So, what's the takeaway here? The gaming PC landscape is evolving, and that is playing a huge role in that evolution. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who just wants to plug and play, it's an exciting time to be a gamer. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this discussion about AI gaming PCs, don't forget to subscribe, and share with your fellow gamers. Until next time, keep gaming, keep exploring, and stay curious.